So in this PayPal tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to add money from a Wealthsimple bank account here on PayPal. So once PayPal's opened up, go to the top, press on PayPal balance, then select add money, and type in the amount of money that you wanted to add. So if you wanted to add $25, you can select that, then at the bottom, press link a bank account. On this page right here, if you were to scroll down under popular banks, you won't actually see Wealthsimple. So instead you have to go to the top here, press on search for your bank name, type in Wealthsimple. It's still not going to show up, so go ahead and press on enter your bank details. Once you're on this page right here, you can go ahead and type in the account, the transit number, the institution number, the account number, press on agree and link, and then you can send money from your PayPal account from your Wealthsimple account to your PayPal account this way. So that is how to add money from Wealthsimple to PayPal here on PayPal. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.